Hey guys, what is up? Coming back with another trade review for February 9th, 2024. It's been about a week. I've been crazy busy. A lot of things trading related and other business ventures that I've been working on. But today I had two trades. One was FE, which came up on my scanner as a 5-minute parabolic reversal, and I've been looking at only trading in these shorter time frames. Typically I trade a 50-minute reversal. As of late, with the market being so strong, we have SPY pushing over 500 now. Pre-market it hit 501. I knew that it could be potentially difficult to find a short. When I come to my trading station in the morning, I know this looks crazy, there's lines everywhere, but I will mark any important level. So I'll look at the daily and I will mark previous day, high, low, open, close as areas of interest. And then I will mark the weekly extreme, which is the high and low. And then I'll just kind of look at the daily based on current price action. Where are we in relation to the 9? Are we extended? Are we due for a pullback? So I will use also my Fibonacci retracement tool here just to kind of get a general sense of where we are again in relation to fibs, my fib levels. I still believe we're due for a pullback if we can get through this 498 area here, which there was a lot of volume here. You can see this volume profile is rather weak below it. So I'm thinking possibly Monday we can expect somewhat of a pullback. And so anyway, looking at that and having that in mind, I was looking at just trading short pullbacks, knowing the market's strong. I'm looking at a 5-minute parabolic reversal. Here we are right here. Okay, so I'm looking at trading a 5-minute parabolic reversal. Reason being is my thought process is this goes parabolic. It will come back to 9 on the 5, which is typically my target, and it will continue its move up. This, however, did again come up, and it was a little risky. Normally, I look at these trades and I will, let me pull up the 1-minute chart here. I will kind of see once I get in how it reacts or what it does around the 9 moving average, what it does around VWAP. We had all this crazy volume coming in. The spread was rather tight, but the price action was so violent when it would hit certain levels and choppy. And again, I always follow my rules. I just didn't like the way it moved, so I took a partial once it hit VWAP, and then eventually I got all out. I mean, looking at it now, obviously in hindsight, it didn't make that much more of a move, about 20 cents in relation. I mean, that could have hit my 4 or 5R for the day, but I just didn't like the way the SPY was pushing so much, so I bailed on that one. I mean, there are times I will stay a little bit longer in the trade based on price action, but typically when my setup fails, I'm out and I have no regrets. I follow my plan to a T. That's how I continually build my confidence and longevity in this game. The other one was CRDO. Again, another scanner call, and I played this as a 5-minute reversal. It's my 1-minute chart. Where's my 5? So we had 2 consecutive bars up. I had a very tight stop on this entry. It was, I believe it was 5 or 8 cents on this. Target again was VWAP. Again, looking at it in hindsight, could I have held it to my target? Yes, but as each time frame moves forward, the risk to reward continually becomes skewed in relation to where I entered. So I bailed on that because, again, I didn't like the way it looked. If you look at the 1 minute, we had a little bit of volume come in here, form a hammer, and that's where I took a partial when it hit the 20 moving average. And I was so close to my entry. I know that this is a Friday. Again, I knew the market was strong, and so I bailed on it. And that is it for today. It's just the 2 trades. I am greens, not a huge day, not a huge week for me, considering, again, looking at the SPY, how strong it was all week. I'm hoping we get somewhat of a pullback on Monday. But most important thing is maintaining your sanity, following your rules, keeping your confidence high. The minute you start to deviate or make small changes, that's where you start to run into trouble. You lose your confidence, and it doesn't feel good. So you just know that you have data, you have back tested, and overall you have a positive expected value with the system that you're currently running. So although the market might not be amenable to how your current trading style suits you, it just doesn't fit right now. Over time, over a larger data or sample set, you know that it will work out. So that's it for today. I hope that everybody had a great trading day, and I will see you soon. Peace.